Digital disruption means that there's an openness in conversations in industry where people are actually open to the idea of doing things outside of the box.
It's about looking at our operating model and what our competitors are doing and seeing how we can use technology to disrupt our marketplace.
What are the organizational capabilities you need to drive for this transformation that has to happen?
What are the best practices in terms of digital business transformation?
The question is not how can we be more disruptive, the question is how can we create value for our customers in new ways.
Digital disruption at the moment is still in its maturing phase. There's a lot of talk and a lot of conversation around it, but the actual practical doing is still a hard thing to do.
I think it's probably coupled on the back of a broader energy revolution which is already underway. I think we're going to see a lot more distributed energy resources, which is going to transform the sector. And I think on the back of that, there'll be a transformation in the way in which customers interact and want to interact with the system. And that, I think, is where the digital revolution comes. It's coming thick and fast.
We tend to use a mixture of disruptors in terms of new entrants to the market, but also well-established organisations such as Cisco. We feel that they have the technology lead in some of this area, and they also have an ecosystem that we can leverage as partners and employees that see many different aspects of this world which we might not be exposed to if we were given the chance.
Here at Ideal London, we've been really fortunate to partner with some amazing companies like Cisco Systems, where they've opened the door to some of these really big enterprises and allowed us to have that conversation turn into something much more practical.
Cisco has been a great help over the last couple of years in helping us transform and review our business model, so we're in safe hands.